I guess 15th-ish, okay, of what are we? April 15th. So losing track of time. It's a Wednesday, short week. So we just started yesterday. So just want to go over what I like you guys to do this week. So if you want to keep track and you want to keep going on this, what I'd like you to do is today and tomorrow finish stretches and compressions. Uh, Hold off on mapping rule. It's a little different. And I'm going to do this on Friday. So we're going to go over mapping rule on Friday. What I would like you to do, it's not for marks, but I want you to do it because it's a keep yourself in check. I don't know what that means, but I'm going to give you a quiz. Okay. Okay, don't panic. Okay. I want you to check this out. I want you to take your time. It's open book or whatever you want to call it. I'm not marking it for my sake. I'm marking it for your sake. Whatever you do, I will mark and tell you, hey, this is good. This is wrong. You're all over this. It is a good assessment of where we are right now in this class as far as transformations go. And to get there, you will click on quizzes and you will look at the quizzes, and it's going to be this guy down here. Okay, I'm going to hide all the other ones so you won't see them. So you're only going to have one here, and it's U1A4, knowledge and understanding. Don't worry about the title on that. I'm actually, you know what? I will change the name of that to transformation quiz. So it'll be the transformation quiz. Click on that, and then take a look at it. There are only a few questions. Okay, I'll even show you what the questions are. It doesn't matter. Okay, it's not for marks. You're going to go here, and then you are going to put start quiz. I can't do that because I'm not a real student, but that's what you're going to do. Okay, and here's an equation. Tell me the transformation. What's the domain? What's the range? Take your time. Work it out. Type in your answers as best as you can. It's a type in type quiz. Do your best. I will understand anything you write. Okay, trust me, I've never had an issue with that at all. So that's the plan for this week, is for you to do that quiz, and then we'll talk about mapping rule. And then by the weekend, I will post your unit test, which I'm going to mark. And if you're worried about marks, I do want to tell you this: your mark, which I can give to you if you send me an email. I don't know enough. Oh, I can maybe post it with student numbers. I will post the marks with student numbers. That is your term mark or whatever. It's the last time we were in school mark, and that is the lowest possible grade you can get in this course, if that matters to you. Okay, so you can't get lower than that. I'm going to post it with your student numbers later today. So on Friday or tomorrow and Friday, so Thursday and Friday, tomorrow for sure. If you have any questions, come to the meeting on Thursday and ask the questions. Okay, and like I said earlier in the video, if you have homework questions, what you can do is you go right here under assignments. So if you want to ask me a question, what you're going to do is you can just go over it here to U2 homework, click on this, take a picture. You can do this on your phone. If you open this app, if you open up this website, right, just a regular class website on your phone, you can just take a picture on your phone, upload of your work, upload that photo directly. And how do you do that? You're going to go over here to new videos, and new videos will show you how to do that. Upload your photo of your homework, send it to me. I'll take a look at it, and I will send you back feedback in as quickly as I can. I'll write all over your stuff. Okay. So that's the plan. Do the quiz, get this stuff straightforward. By the weekend, you understand mapping rule. Start of next week, we do inverses. And then the end of next week, you're going to do a test for me, and I'll give you more on that later, okay? So this is where we are right now, okay? Get up all this stuff here. Watch today's video if need be. And by today's video, I mean either the video there, or if you go up here, this is where our class videos are. So if you go to virtual classroom, sorry, I even got confused. You go to virtual classroom. Today's lesson, I believe, was number 6. So hold up a second. Today's lesson here, if you want to see another thing, in a few minutes, it will be uploaded and you can watch it there. Okay, so that's that.